What makes this toilet truly hands-free is that once we tap the side of the toilet, we get that nice closer with the lid comes down and the ultimate flush. Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody to Zan over 2DT Productions. If you guys are watching this video, I have got the CANEST smart toilet here that I'm going to show you guys a demo today. Now, I'm going to give you the full rundown, walkthrough, and give you the reasons why I would recommend and suggest this particular toilet, because you get the full hygiene and comfort experience bundled into one. So, if you're looking for that best overall satisfaction experience to put a smile on your face without anybody being around, this is the way to do it. Because in the comfort of your bathroom, what better way to enjoy some free time and get some relaxation? So, without further ado, let me give you some quick tips, tricks, and why I recommend it. Stay tuned. With the TC-500, we have the automatic lift opening feature. So once you approach the toilet, the lid is automatically going to open. In addition to that, for the hinge side, there is a sensor right here at the bottom of the toilet. So once you actually give this a tap, we get the secondary seat to lift. Now, best of all, what makes this toilet truly hands-free is that once we tap the side of the toilet, we get that nice closer with the lid comes down and the ultimate flush. Fully self-contained, beautiful, elegant design. To give you that nice, glamorous appeal. Now, with the CANEST TC-500PRO Smart Toilet, what you are going to get is a robust, very classy, latest, state-of-the-art look and feel, beautiful remote control. Now, some of the features that are on here, we have stop, rear wash, front wash. We've got the dryer. There is a nozzle position, and then we have water pressure. In addition to that, you can adjust the water temperature, the air temperature when it comes to drawing, and last but not least, we have the seat temperature. Now on the top here, we also have the open and closed lid. You also have the secondary seat. And then right here, which is a unique feature, let's see if I can get you in, this is a bubble wash. So if you're looking to wash your behind with a massaging water comfort, that is the one you're gonna wanna use. And I know several people who really enjoy that. And last, you have your manual flush right there. Now, if in case you don't happen to have the remote handy, there is a button right on the side of the toilet you can essentially come over and push. That will give you the flush feature. All right, for some demonstration purposes, what I'm going to show you guys is the bidet feature and how exactly it works. Now, this particular toilet, like I mentioned, it has a sensor built into it. So as far as the features go, you will not be intruded with a bidet by accident unless you're physically sitting on the toilet. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and start with our front wash. See if this works. Now, once the nozzle officially comes out, you'll be able to adjust it forward and backward. Now this is for the greatest, best comfort ever. Forward and backward. All right, now the nice thing also is that it's also going to give you the ability to have a wash. In addition to that, we have an air dryer as well. So while you're sitting on the toilet after using the bidet, you can essentially use the air dryer. It's going to turn the hot air on after the flush, and you're going to have a nice warm, cool factor when it comes to drying off your bottom. Kind of hard to hear that, but we definitely got some warm air coming out. Now, with the water, when it comes to the temperature and the pressure, is that you have a total of 6 settings. So you can go all the way from 86 up to the 99. And if you're looking for the overall best experience, this is definitely a toilet I would highly recommend and encourage checking out. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off, since I put some saran wrap on it, just so you can get the best view as to how this works. And that it's not going to accidentally go off on you. That is awesome. In addition to this particular toilet, so this is also considered EPA friendly. So when it comes to the water consumption, this uses with a dual flush system. It has a 1.1 gallon flush for the single, and it has a 1.6 gallon flush if you're flushing number 2. So that is going to be the ultimate solution when it comes to the water conservation. Alright guys, so if in case you're actually wondering, because this is plugged into power, so you're probably questioning, well, what happens if you lose power? Because obviously the toilet's plugged in. The nice thing is that this comes complimentary with a battery pack. Now, this battery pack is filled with AA's. Essentially right here, this plug right here will plug into an accessory cord that's right on the back of the toilet. So if you're deciding on trying to get this and wondering what's going to happen, it already comes complimentary with it. So that is going to be the greatest peace of mind that you're going to be set for the long haul. In addition to that, not only does it have the ergonomics in class, but again, you're bringing the hygiene feature and the comfort of being in your bathroom, giving you the ultimate overall satisfaction. So if you've never tried one for yourself, I highly encourage actually trying it, because you will not regret it. You're absolutely going to love it. You'll probably find yourself spending more time in the bathroom. So I know that I do, and it's a lot of fun. In addition to that, it's the comfort part of it. So, especially if you're wanting to retire some of these old toilet paper features and save yourself some money there, what better way to do it than get something like this? This is Dan here at 2DD2 Productions. Try it out for yourself. This thing is awesome. Thank you guys all for watching.